In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use only AI to build a Wix website. Best AI Web Tools. Pause Wix website. AI Website Builder. We'll go from a blank account to a live site using Wix's built-in AI, keeping the process simple, clear, and efficient. Start on your Wix dashboard and choose Create New Site. This opens the setup flow where the AI takes over most of the heavy lifting. When the AI assistant appears, click Start Chat to begin guiding the system with a few short prompts. You'll first see the question, what is your website about? Type a clear description of your business or project. Include the niche, who it's for, and any defining characteristics. The more specific you are, the better the AI's structure and copy will be. Next, use the highlight option. This tells the assistant what to prioritize. Highlight your most important value proposition or key details you want reflected across the design and content, like a signature service, your style, or a differentiator. You'll then be asked, what type of products do you offer? Enter the product categories or services you plan to feature. Keep your list focused and consistent with your earlier description so the AI can generate navigation, sections, and calls to action that make sense. Click Continue to move forward. You'll now add additional goals for your website. Think about outcomes you want the site to support, such as selling items, taking bookings, collecting leads, or sharing updates. Choose what fits your needs so the AI can propose relevant features and sections. When you're done, click End Chat and continue. Back in your site setup, select Design Site to move into the visual phase. Choose Generate a design with AI. Here, the system translates your inputs into layouts, color palettes, fonts, and starter copy. Click Generate a design and give it a moment to work. Review the suggested result. If it aligns with your brand direction, click Continue with this design. Then click Continue to the editor to open your site in the Wix editor. Since we're focusing on an AI-led build, you don't need to make major manual edits now. A quick scan for accuracy is helpful, so you're confident in what goes live. When you're ready, click Publish to make your site live on a free Wix domain. Finally,